Disassembly. Make sure to be connected to your ESD wristband. You need a Torx Plus driver size 6, metal tweezers, and SRT6. Protect window with a film. Remove C cover. Pull up A cover. Remove keypad. Protect LCD and inner side of window with a film. Remove screws in the order shown. Remove screws with tweezers. Lift complete module. Separate UI module carefully. Mind the LCD module connector. Prevent bending the UI shield. Remove protecting film. Remove locking clips by use of SRT6. Protect the LCD module with a film. Push out earpiece carefully while lifting the UI shield. Remove vibromotor and buzzer by use of tweezers. Moderate force is required while removing the DC jack. Bend B cover carefully to remove the shielding. Remove power button and unlock clips of antenna by use of SRT6. Bend B cover carefully to remove the SIM flap. First, lever out release spring by use of Torx screwdriver and tweezers. Then removal of the release button becomes easy. Disassembly is now complete.